So what I try to do is put a little pebble, little stone in their shoe. Have you ever had a little stone stuck in your shoe before?
Yeah.
Try and walk 10 meters with that. So I try to just to put a little bit there and just let it grind. Let it, and it really depends on the context. So let's use an example. Negative future, right? So let's say you can see somebody's thinking about it. Say, I can see you thinking about what's going through your mind right now. They say, okay, I'm thinking about this and this and this. And the follow-up question will be is, look, if you don't do anything about the situation that you say is really urgent, what's going to happen 3 weeks or 3 months from now on? Paint me a picture. Let them paint you a picture. And then you let them talk. And you just leave them with it. So what I'm normally trying to do is give people two paths. The negative path, which is the left-hand side, what you just mentioned, everything's comfortable, you know everything, but things are horrible. You can carry on that path. Or you can take the other path, and we can do something about it. The choice is yours. You're an adult. Now leave them be. Let them think about it.
It's actually also, good coaching technique for people to self-coach themselves, to sell themselves on some sort of change of vision. Meaning, very often people would say, well, I'm just not motivated. And I always say, well, what's like a bad thing that can happen if you just keep saying to yourself that you're not motivated instead of taking action, right? And what I learned, a lot of high performers learn to make themselves take action by envisioning that negative future or negative consequences, and that's how they sort of bump up their motivation when they need it.